Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to solve one important problem related to linear differential equations, right? So here we have to solve this differential equation y dx minus x plus 2y square dy equal to 0, and the initial conditions are given as y of 1 is equal to 1, right? So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So let us solve this differential equation. Now here let us first identify this equation, and in order to identify this equation, let us simplify it by writing y dx is equal to x plus 2y square dy, right? Okay, so taking this term to the right hand side. Now we can further simplify it as by writing dx over dy is equal to x plus 2y square over y, and this can further be written as dx over dy is equal to x over y plus 2y, right? Now if we take this x over y term to the left hand side, we have dx over dy plus minus 1 over y times x is equal to 2y, right? Okay, so now we have expressed the given differential equation in this form, and this form is identical to this form, that is dx over dy plus px is equal to q, and this equation is a linear differential equation of this type, right? Dx over dy plus px is equal to q, where p is equal to minus 1 over y and q is equal to 2y. And here we see that p and q are functions of y, right? So in order to solve a linear differential equation of this type, we have to first find the integrating factor of equation 1, and the integrating factor is given by e raised to integral of p dy, right? Now the value of p is minus 1 over y, so we have e raised to integral of minus 1 over y dy, which is equal to e raised to minus integral of 1 over y dy, and this is minus log y, because the integral of 1 over y dy is log y, and here the base is e, and e raised to minus log y to the base e can further be written as e raised to log to the base e 1 over y, and this is simply 1 over y, right? Because here we have used the important relation that is e raised to log of a is equal to a, right? So the integrating factor of this differential equation 1 is 1 over y. Now let us write the solution of this differential equation. Now the solution is given by x times integrating factor is equal to integral of q times integrating factor dy plus c, right? So this is the standard solution of the linear differential equation of this type, dx over dy plus px is equal to q, right? So let us substitute the values of integrating factor and q in this equation, where c is the constant of integration, right? So we have x times integrating factor, which is 1 over y, and here we have the value of q as 2y, and the integrating factor is 1 over y dy plus c, right? So now this is x over y, and here y and y get cancelled, so we have 2 dy, integral of 2 dy plus c, and simplifying it, we have x over y is equal to 2y plus c, right, which can further be written as x is equal to 2y square plus cy, right? So viewers, this is the general solution of this differential equation. Now here we have to find the value of the constant of integration as c, which can be calculated by using the initial conditions, and the initial conditions are y of 1 is 1. It means for x is equal to 1 we have y is equal to 1. So let us substitute these values in the general equation, and we have 1 is equal to 2 times 1 square plus c times 1. So this is 1 is equal to 2 plus c, and the value of c is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So the constant of integration is minus 1. So substituting the value of c as minus 1 over here, the particular solution of this differential equation, it comes out to be x is equal to 2y square minus y, right? So c is minus 1. So this is the particular solution when this condition is given, and this is the general solution.